Hey, what's up guys, Soapbones here, and we're doing a 10 subscribers special. Yes, that's right, we're out here in the beauty of nature. Yep, it's pretty great. Yeah, 360 spin.
We're gonna go hijack that car over there.
No, we're not gonna do that.
I thought that was your special though.
No, we're gonna,
It's a beautiful car though.
well,
It's got keys in it.
if you want to break in there, you can.
Take it.
Yeah, okay. There he goes. He's going for it. I don't know what the heck he's doing. He's going for the car. What was that?
Oh, one of my secrets. All right, let's go. Yeah, I'll take the camera.
No, I got the camera. Oh yeah, I'm back here with my cousin Chance. Yeah, he has a new YouTube channel. It's Apples Are Life. Subscribe to him. He's almost hit 50. So yeah, I hit 10. That's probably what this video's about. Yep.
Hey, there's a random person over there.
And
Oh, there's the Pokemon.
There's-
Remember the Pokemon? Remember?
Oh yeah, Pokemon. We caught a Krabby, and we caught a Krabby. Let's move.
Stop being weird.
Dude, that guy is a big truck. Holy crap! He could run over those dogs.
Those are Pokemon.
Yeah, but we were playing Pokemon Go out here,
Man, I like this ball.
and we
Whoa.
caught a
Ah, my finger.
we caught a Krabby and a Spinarak thing,
Hey,
and a
go to my secret lair.
Poliwhirl, and it was pretty. And a Psyduck. It was
There's a
pretty.
person over there.
Oh, okay.
I'm to my secret lair, guys. I had a party
How long
last
are we
night.
making this?
Party last night with all the Pokemon and girls at my school.
How-
We had tequila and wine, as you can see those bottles over there.
We're making this.
We had a rave
We're
party.
making this 10 minutes, right?
What?
10 minutes, right?
15, dude.
15.
Yeah, it's a sub special.
Alright. So we got some wine here,
It's tequila.
and then tequila. There's some over there too. I don't know if you see that.
All right, let's go. I just gave away all of my secret.
Ah, you're fine.
All right, let's go. Into the wild. Dude, get in the video.
It's like
son.
MTV Cribs.
Here, get in the video.
This is the hideout. Yep, hideout. Everyone to see.
Can you see it?
is.
Can you see it?
I mean, it's actually very good. It just looks like a couple of
Hey, watch this, guys. I can skip the rock. Come to my little pond over here. Watch me skip something, right? Okay, watch again. You didn't really see it skip, but...
Wow. 10 out of 10.
All right, I'm gonna skip it one more time just for y'all to see. Right, now watch this. Get hype.
This is someone's lawn?
No.
What do you mean, no? Yes, this is someone's lawn. What?
That's not.
What?
Okay, let's go. I decided to take a couple. Oh, more rocks to skip. Jesus. Look how many times it skipped.
Okay. I can see. Oh, hey, look at this beautiful place.
Maybe the Pokemon will come out.
We're not even in Pokemon Go. We're recording.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You didn't? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I got a pickaxe. Ow! Smacked back against me.
I remember.
See this? This is what's that ant Pokemon again?
Is there an ant Pokemon? There probably is. There's too many for me to count.
See, it's a hive. Oh, there's ants on me.
It's a whole colony of ants. I don't know if you can see that.
There's a lot of ants on here now.
Oh, ants on your shoe.
Ugh. Where'd all the ants go? Oh, there's one. Flick. Flick.
They live on your shoe now.
They don't deserve to live on my shoe.
They're crawling on your sock.
What?
They're crawling
Where?
on your sock.
You're just scaring me.
No, there was one on your sock, but I think he took it out.
Well, let's keep continuing. I'm probably gonna get bit at some point and die. Cause
Oh yeah, anyways, thank you guys for 10 subscribers. That's really great. Anything to say about that? Okay, good. Okay. Dang it, I got
Hey,
ants on my
remember
shoe.
that time I stepped into the ants and they got on my shoe?
That was, yeah, man, that was like totally not 3 seconds ago. That poor tree. You know, yeah. Jesus.
I gave up.
Okay, well, we're gonna end that here. Any last things to say?